Hi, Dr. Rooh here again. I want to thank you for taking the time to attend my free dinner workshop, and also congratulate you on you taking a first step and sign up for a consultation with me. This consultation is going to be very in-depth, and by now you already know that you should send in your blood work and all the paperwork for me, and you definitely must have your spouse here with you. So as you come in here, my office is right next to the waterfall. As you notice, it's going to be suite A104, and once you come in there, I'll go ahead and tell you exactly what's going to happen next, okay? Come with me. Okay, so when you come in here, there's only a couple of forms to fill out, nothing fancy. You've already done the major paperwork at home, and hopefully you brought it with you, and you have your spouse with you for this meeting. And what we're going to do, we're going to offer you some water, and then after with that, we're going to go ahead and step into my office, and we're going to have our one-on-one consultation with you and your spouse, if you have one. All right, we'll see you then. Hi, I'm Dr. Rooh again, and I'm looking forward to our consultations together. And just to give you a little bit of a review of what you heard in the dinner talk, we talked about how allopathic medicine looks into your condition, and basically they are good for acute conditions, for acute conditions, trauma, infections, or any kind of conditions like that. And unfortunately, with the most conditions that Americans are facing today are chronic conditions, their approach of medications and surgery and taking the organs out is not the best route to go. So what I do as a holistic medicine, the functional medicine doctor, I look at everything as a whole. So one thing that I do to work with you on is basically ordering the right tests for you to make sure we get a map of what's going on underneath the surface to find the true underlying cause of your issue. And as we find out what the causes are, we're going to look at you as overall and trying to address everything as overall, and work with everything, trying to get everything better. So that would basically be working with all your chronic conditions such as thyroid, diabetes, blood sugar, autoimmune disorders, and low sex drives, or whatever symptoms you may be experiencing. So we look at every individual uniquely. Everything is based on you, so we have to do all the tests that's necessary to see what's causing the problems. Some of them could be environmental factors, something could be genetic, sometimes could be lifestyle. So we're going to figure out what uniquely is needed for your condition and how we can go about figuring out what we need to do to get you better. Now, we also use lifestyle changes, the safe botanicals. We use exercise, nutrition, diet, and lifestyle changes, trying to turn things around, trying to bring things back to normal, how it's supposed to be, or whatever organs are not functioning properly, we're going to support them, trying to allow them to function at their optimal, so you could regain your health back. And we asked you that you please send in all your blood work before this consultation, so I could have time to review everything and have done my homework so I could be prepared for the consultation. And if there's anything that's missing, I'll be happy to go ahead and order exactly what we need to get things going. Now, I ask you to please bring your spouse or significant other with you if you have one. It's very important that they do show up to this consultation, because it's very important that I'm going to spend at least an hour of my time with you and go over a lot of things. It's a little bit unfair for you to go back home and try to convey all this message to them in a few sentences, which is really unjust. I really expect this individual to be here in this consultation due to the fact that I want them to know exactly what's going on with your health conditions, what we have planned for you, and how we're going to go turn things around so they could know exactly what our approach is, so they could support you in everything that we do. At the meantime, let's see, I want to make sure that I cover everything with you, so when you come in, we're up to speed and ready to go. So again, I'm going to spend at least an hour with you, and so please help me help you and turn your life around. And by the way, after I review all your blood work and all your paperwork with you, I'm going to tell you what a game plan I have for you. If this is a good match for both of us, we'll go ahead, continue on, and go over all the details with you, exactly what it entails. And after that, we're ready to change your life and turn your life around and get you healthier, get you happier, and feeling better. And I want to thank you for giving me the opportunity, and I look forward to meeting you and your spouse or significant other here. And if you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call at 480-304-5152. and either myself or one of my staff will be happy to answer your questions. And at the same time, please go to our website, www.wellnessfirstaz.com. First is 1ST. Wellness1staz.com, and go to Patient Center, and it's going to give you a drop down. There's 4 forms that I need you to fill out, and please bring them with you. Very important that you have them filled out at your own convenience, at your own home, and bring them in with you so you don't have to spend an hour in my waiting room trying to fill out those forms. So I look forward to seeing you soon. Thank you and congratulations, and I look forward to working with you and getting you better.